In this video we will see the new version of Drishti Paint, release 2.6. So things have changed a bit from the last version, the previous versions, where you had only painting option in order to manually segment the data. With Drishti 2.6, the paint version of 2.6, you can not only paint your data slice by slice using graph cuts algorithm, but you can also draw curves, and you'll also be able to track fibers or track the channels. So let us have a look at different panels in this Drishti Paint version 2.6. There's the help here. This is the general help about Drishti Paint, and then various options that come in the under the files menu. So what Drishti Paint this version allows you is to manually segment and generate surface mesh for the regions in your volume. And in order to facilitate the segmentation process, this program currently provides three sets of tools: the curves using live wire and hand-drawn curves, graph cuts, and then fiber tracking or channel tracking. And then you can also create surface meshes. Once you have done your segmentation, you can generate the surface mesh, you can smooth the meshes, and you can also do hole filling of the for the meshes. So all that information is available here. You can also extract not only the surfaces but the volumes from your data. This new paint also has the 3D viewer, which is this one here. So this is the 3D viewer. It gives you a 3D preview of what you have done with your data set. So if you have drawn the curves, you will be seeing the curves in this panel. If you have painted using the rough cuts, then you will be able to see those painted areas in this one in here. Then the transfer function editor. This is the transfer function editor, where you create your own transfer functions and apply them to your data. Then you also have the tag color editor. So this is the tag color editor, and then when you select the tags here, the tags that appear in this tag parameter box automatically change. So you can select the tags either through this tag editor here, tag colors here, or you can change the tags in this parameter box here, and then you can get the new colors either from the library, or you can have random colors. And then double click and set the color. So if you're not happy with a particular color, you can just double click that and change the color. So that's the color editor. Then this is the file menu. You load your data set here. You can, the curves that you generate, you can save them. They're automatically saved with the when you save the data. But you can also load the curves that you had generated for a different data set for this particular data set. So this is load curve, load fibers. Same with the fibers, you can save the fibers and load the fibers. You can extract the volume from the tagged regions. So you can tag the regions and then extract those using extract tag region. Similarly, you can generate mesh. This is to save the curves, fibers. You can save an image as well. So these are the options under the file menu. Now these ones here are just selecting different XYZ orthogonal slices in your data. and this is the slice image slice that you see on the screen. So you can have it as the original size, or you can fit it to the size of the screen. So let me show you how it looks. So when you say fit, it will fit it to the size of this window, and then you can shrink or grow. So it's basically just the scaling of the image slice here. Then these are various options: the curves, graph cuts, and fibers. And for each of these, you can see the color change here. This is the help. So each of these options have their own individual helps. So this is the help for curves, this is for graph cuts, and this is for fiber tracking, fiber or channel tracking. So this is the mouse, keyboard and mouse help. So it's the help is very much like what you get in the 3D render, Drishti 3D render. Now under the curves you have live wire segmentation. This will be covered under in another video for live wire segmentation. This is modifying the already segmented or already drawn curve. You can modify them, you can propagate the curves that you have generated, you can interpolate between the curves. um, then this is for the graph cuts, and this is for fiber tracking. And so this is the basic outlay or of Drishti, the new Drishti Paint. This is the 3D preview, which we'll again see in the subsequent videos. The preview that you see here are the curves that you draw in the in this 2D slice here. Um, then the segmentation that you perform on the slices can be seen here. You can also just apply a transfer function to the to your volume, and then you can see the output here as a pixelated volume. And then you can also select what sort of curves that you would like to see, what tagged curves that you would like to see, or fibers, and so on. So this is the new look Drishti Paint, and in subsequent videos we'll see how we can segment our data using Drishti Paint.